So good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the exercise 4b. Before starting this we have to know some concept. So the thing is numbers on the abacus. So we have to count the number of beads given on the abacus and have to write the number. See in ones place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will be in ones place. Then in in tens place. How 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are in tens place. Okay, so the number will be 64, or we can say 6 tens and 4 ones. As you know, see here it is written 6 tens and plus 4 ones, so altogether we can say 64. Now expanded form and the standard form. Okay, see that, because in ones place there are 5 beads, so 5 is written, and in tens place there are 4 beads, here 4 is written. So we know that 5 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. So we can say 4 tens and 5 ones. See, 4 tens means 40, 5 ones means 5. We have to use this plus sign. When we are using this plus sign, so this shows the expanded form. 40 plus 5. How the 40 has came? You know, 4 tens means 40, 5 ones means we have to write 5 only. When all together we are writing 45 is called standard form. Okay, come to here. See, count the number of beads on the abacus. On ones place there is only 1 bead. It means 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4. So altogether 41. See, here is no bead, so I have written 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So tens place is having 6 beads. So the number is 60. First you write here, so it will be easy to write in circle. Okay, then we are counting here 1, 2, 3. In ones place there are 3 beads, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads in 10 place. Altogether 73. See the D1? In ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both the places the digit is 5 and 5. So altogether we can speak 55. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in ones place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in tens place. So the number is 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in tens place. So altogether 96. Okay, only we count the beads and write the digit. Now see here. Draw beads on the abacus to show the given number. So here you have to draw the beads. So first digit in ones place is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on ones place, and in tens place there are it is 8. So you have to make 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like that we have to do the second one also. 35. So 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ones place, and 3 in tens place. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see. 68. 8 in ones place, 6 in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Are you understand? Just see this and make the beads. Come here. Write the number shown in each abacus in standard and expanded form. One has been done for you. This is already did. 1, 2, 3. 3 is in ones place. 3 ones. And what about tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in tens place. 5 tens means 50, and 3 will come as usual with the plus sign. This is called expanded form, and when we are writing is all together 53. This is called standard form. Okay, so come here, we will do this. First you count the number in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be here, and 1, 2, 3. 3 will be in tens place. 3 tens means 30. 5 ones means 5 will as usual come, then plus sign between 30 and 5. This is called the expanded form, and when we are writing all together it is called standard form. Okay, see here, 3, 1, 2, 3 beads in ones place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads in tens place. 6 tens means 60, and 3 ones. 60 plus 3 expanded form, 63. When we are writing all together it is called standard form. Okay, now the question number 4. Write the number that comes after, between and before. In previous chapter means in chapter 1 we already did, and I explained which was one digit number. Here we are taking the 2-digit number. After means number the next to the number or right hand side, the number which comes right hand side of the number. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side of the number. See, 15, 16, 17, 49, 50, then 51, 23, 24, then next number is 25, 73, 74, next number is 75, 18, 19, 20, 27, then 28, 29, 58, 59, 60. This is the between. Between means the number just which is come between two number. Just feel like we have filled after, because after 27, 28 has to become, and before 29 is 28, 58, then 59, 87, 88. See here, the number comes before. Before means the number which is in left side of the given number. Before 61, 1 is here, the less than 1 is 0 and 6 will remain as usual, okay. So 60. See, before 5 which number has to come? 4 and 9 will be remain same, so 94. And before 39 here is 9, so it will be 8 and 3, 38, okay. See this. Write the correct sign greater than, smaller than and equal to in the boxes. Before doing this, you will have to understand the concept, okay. Comparing numbers. So whenever question is asking to compare the number, you have to compare first the number with the digit in tens place. See, here two numbers are given, 63 and 61. So first you see the digit in ones place, when the tens place, sorry. When the number in tens place are same, then we will move to the ones place, okay. In this question, the digit in tens place are same. Here also 6 and here also 6. So we are moving to the ones place. In this number, the ones place digit is 3, but here it is 1. So 3 is greater than 1. It means 63 is greater than 61. 63 is greater than 61. Now come here. See the place digit in tens place is 1 and here is 4. It means it is 10 and 40. Which is smaller? 10 is smaller than 40, okay. When it is smaller, we have to put this is a smaller than sign and this is greater, okay. See, 76, 49. We have to check the place value of tens place, okay. Here is 7 and here is 4. Definitely 7 will greater, so this sign has greater sign has to be written. 76 is greater than 49. Here see, 42 and 24. 4 in tens place, here is 2, so this is greater, so greater sign has to be put here. 42 is greater than 24. See here, here 1 and in this number is 4, which is greater, this is greater and this is smaller, so smaller than sign. 17 is smaller than 49. Here see, both in tens place digits are same, so we have to compare the digit in ones place. Here is 1 and here is 0. 0 is smaller than 1, so 30 is smaller than 31. Then 37, 3 is here, 4 is here. Which is smaller? This, because the digit 3 is smaller than digit 4. And this is 37 and number here is 49. So 37 is smaller than 49. See, we are comparing with the tens place. 8 here, 9 here. Which is greater? This is greater and this is smaller. So 84 is smaller than 95. See here again, we have found the digit in tens place are same. So we have to compare with the ones place. Here is 0 and here is 2. 2 is greater than 0. It means 92 is greater than 90. See, 62, 62. Both the numbers are same. So we have to put the equal to sign. Okay. See, the question number 2. Tick the smaller number and cross the greater number in each row. 10, 43, 30, 50, 47, 20. Okay, we have to compare with the tens digit. Okay, here is 1, then here is 4, 3, 5, 4, then 2. Which is smaller? This is smaller, so we have to make tick mark. Which is greater? See, 5. 5 is greater, so we have to make it cross. Okay, see here again. Check the value in tens place. 2, 8, 3, 5, 9, 3. Which is smaller? This 2 is smaller, so we have to make tick mark here. So now we have to find the greater. Greater is 9. 9 is greater. So we have to make cross. Again 8, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3. Which is smaller? This is smaller. Which is greater in this group? 8 is greater. So we have to make cross. Okay. So by this we can have to complete this exercise. I hope you will understand this. Okay.